A nation is a balance between its institutions. If that balance is disturbed, the nation is disturbed. That is the central idea. What are the institutions that make up the Indian nation? There are elected institutions, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabhas, Panchayats. There is the judiciary. There is a supporting free press. These institutions together, they hold the nation in place. And what we have seen over the last 6 years is a systematic attack on all these institutions. Democracy does not die with a bang. It dies slowly. And I'm sad to tell you that democracy in India is dead. It doesn't exist anymore. It is dead because one organization, the RSS, has combined with huge finances to penetrate and disturb and destroy our institutional balance. That is what has happened. One side, you have capture of all institutions. You have a monopoly on finances. You have a monopoly on the media. And on the other side, you've got political parties that are not allowed to compete. When they form governments against all odds, their mandates are taken away from them. As a political person, as a political leader, normally in a democracy, I require institutional support. I require a media that is objective. I require a judiciary that is aggressive. I require the ability to speak in the Parliament House. All those have been taken away from us. I'm telling you, we are not allowed to speak in Parliament. Literally, we're not allowed to speak in Parliament. So where is this heading? There is only one way this thing is going to get resolved, and that is mass action. When the ordinary citizen of this country realizes that this country now is not being run by his mandate, but is being run by force, is being run undemocratically. There is full penetration of all institutions. So this is going to be a huge challenge for this country going forward. There is a full-scale assault on secularism in this country. And the RSS and the BJP are leading that assault. You said secularism is a foundation of our constitution. It's much more than that. Secularism is the foundation of our culture and our history. If you go back into time, you will see that this country has always been a sensitive, compassionate country that embraces different types of ideas.